Steve, congratulations. How are you feeling?
All right, wonderful. Yeah, cool. Would you ask? I started already. I didn't know we were going to do it live.
How are you feeling?
Incredible, man. It's a great feeling. I love this industry. I've been around for a long time, and I've always pushed really hard to move everything forwards. So the recognition is incredible.
And what does the award mean to you?
It means a lot. It's a recognition of pushing forward with education and innovation and not standing still, making sure that the industry is constantly evolving, and even without the recognition I'm still doing with it, but it's nice to have it. It's super important to me. It means a lot to me.
Very well said. And lastly, Mr. Greitzer, what's next for you?
Just keep moving, man. I've been in this industry around a decade now, and it almost feels like I'm just getting started at the same time. So we've got some new things with education, new products, new locations. Just moving forward per usual.